The magic of the sleeping forest. Once upon a time, in the depths of a deep forest, a beautiful maiden named Sylvie lived. Sylvie was a forest spirit and had a special power to talk to flowers, trees, and animals. She played a role in protecting the forest, was kind to visitors, and always kept smiling. One day, Sylvie found a small injured white rabbit at the edge of the forest. She immediately approached, gently picked up the rabbit, and used healing magic. Then, the rabbit regained its energy and jumped around in gratitude. The rabbit said that she would give the magic of sleep at night as a thank you for Sylvie's help. This magic is the power to find something important in your dreams while you sleep. However, if you don't make a special wish, it will end up just a dream. Sylvie received the magic, but she felt that it was difficult to come up with a special wish. Every night, every time she fell asleep under the starry sky, she kept looking for her wishes in her heart. One night, Sylvie found a beautiful castle in her dream. However, the castle was enveloped in a mysterious fog, and no one could approach it. She decided to wade through the fog and enter the castle. Then, there was a forgotten magic book in the castle. Sylvie picked up the book, turned the pages, and noticed that the magic of love lost in her village was written on it. Sylvie decided to use the magic to help the people of the village. However, when I woke up, I remembered the rabbit's words and decided to make more wishes. May this magic bring happiness to the village. A few days later, Sylvie fell asleep again and got the magic of love in her dream. She used it to return to the village, connect people's hearts, eliminate conflicts, and bring a life of endless smiles. Sylvie's kindness and magic brought peace to the forest, and she became loved by everyone and lived happily for a long time. While acting as a spirit of the forest, Sylvie continues a new adventure in her dream. That's it.